Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to boost your bus in Windows 10. Well, the first step would be to install the Peace Equalizer. This is an application that it's free to download and to download the configuration that you want to test or use on your device. Once you installed the software, the first step would be to choose your playback and capture devices. For those devices selected, you will apply the audio effects, like increasing the bass or whatever you want. If you didn't select any option for the playback and capture device, your settings will not affect the computer sound. Therefore, you'll need to go to the Peace program settings and select the debugging and testing tab, and under that tab you'll have the option equalizer APO configuration. Choose that and then you will be able to reselect or select again the playback and capture devices. The software panel will look something like this, and you'll have mainly a button on the top right where you can select it that the effects will be on or off, and on the left lower side you'll have the presets that can be downloaded from the website, or you will be able to save your own presets like I did with my microphone. You see it's called microphone GTX, or you can do whatever you want within one of the presets that are already made there. Once you selected your own preset, press the on button, have the playback and capture devices selected, and you'll see the difference. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to support this channel by liking this video and by subscribing to this channel, and see you on the next video. Bye.